Hello class 7th, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. Today I am going to discuss the questions and answer of the chapter Expert Detectives. In the previous videos we had read about this chapter in detail. So let's see what are the textual questions and how they can be answered. So see, first comprehension check is there on page number 89. Answer the following questions. So three questions are there in that particular uh, comprehension check. Question number one is, what did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? So in answer to this question you can write that Nishad gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath on occasion of his mother's birthday. He did so because of the lean appearance of Mr. Nath, which suggested that he was starving. So two reasons are there which are told to us. You can write both of these in your notebooks. Question number two is, what is strange about Mr. Na's Sundays? In questions answer you can write, the strange about Mr. Na's Sunday is that there was particular visitor who used to visit every Sunday and both of them used to have lunch together. This is question number 3. Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? In answer to this question, you can write that Nishad and Maya got a holiday because of the bad weather. It was raining heavily and the streets of the city were flooded with the downpour or rainwater. So these were three questions there in first comprehension check. Now see, some exercises are given there on page number 93, working with the text. Answer the following questions. What does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below: what he eats, when he eats, what he drinks, and how he pays. Now see how can this question can be answered. Nishad finds out the following information about Mr. Nath from Ramesh. He is not very particular about what he eats. He eats 2 chapatis, dal, and a vegetable. He eats 2 meals, one in the morning and one in the evening. He drinks 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. He pays in cash and also gives tips to Ramesh. So, in that way, you can answer this question. Now, see, question number 2 is there. Why does Maya think Miss Nath is a crook? Who does she see the Sunday visitor is? So Maya thinks that Miss Nath is a crook because he does not have any friends even after spending more than a year at the place. Also, he does not talk to anyone and does not have any visitors anytime except for the visitor who meets him on Sundays. She says that the Sunday visitor is his partner in crime and visits him on Sundays to give him his share of money. So this was Maya's opinion about Mr. Na's visitor. Question number 3 is there. Does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? So in this question's answer, you can write that no, Nishad does not agree with Maya about Mr. Nath. He thinks that Mr. Nath is a kind person who, despite having less money for himself, gives tips to Ramesh. Now, working with the language. The word tip has only three meanings, three letters, but many meanings. Match the word with its meaning below. So here tips word is written in a different way, but meanings are not written correctly here. You have to match the meanings. Fingertips, The tip of your nose, tip the water out of the bucket, have something on the tip of your tongue, tip the boat over, tip him rupee. The tip of the bat, the police were tipped off. If you take my tip, the bat tipped the wall. So the meanings written with them are not their actual meaning. So you have to match the meaning with their uh, with these phrases, you can say. So fingertips means the end of one's fingers. The tip of your nose means the pointed end of your nose. Tip the water out of the bucket means empty a bucket while tilting it. Having something on the tip of your tongue means we about to say something. Then tip the boat over, make the boat overturn. Tip him a rupee, give a rupee to him to thank him. The tip of the bat means the end of the bat or the bottom of the bat. The police were tipped off. The police were told or warned. If you take my tip, if you take this advice, the bat tipped the wall means the bat lightly touched the wall. Then see question number 2 is there. The words helper, companion, partner and accomplice have very similar meanings. What each word is typically used in certain phrases. Can you fill in the blanks below with the most commonly used words? A dictionary may help you. So you can write one word here in the blanks from the words like helper, companion, partner and accomplice. So see, answers are here. Business partner, my companion on the journey. I am mother's little helper, a faithful companion such as a dog. The thief's accomplice, find a good helper. Tennis, golf, bridge partner, his accomplice in his criminal activities. So you can write in the first partner as answer, in the second you can use word companion as an answer, in the third you can use helper word, in the fourth you can use companion, in the fifth you can use accomplice, in the sixth you can use helper word again, and seventh you can use partner, and in eighth you can use accomplice. Now let's look at the uses of the word break. Match the word with its meaning below. Try to find at least 3 other ways in which to use the word. So this is the question. The storm broke, could not speak, was too sad to speak. This is the meaning, but it's not its meaning. Actually, meanings are jumbled here. Day break, his voice is beginning to break. Her voice broke and she cried. The heat, babe broke the bad news. Break a strike. Find your own expression, give its meaning here. So now see, the storm broke. What does it mean? The kind of weather ended. Daybreak means the beginning of daylight. His voice is beginning to break means changes as he grows up. Her voice broke and she cried, could not speak, was too sad to speak. This is its meaning. The heat wave broke means it began to burst into activity. Broke the bad news, gently told someone the bad news. Break a strike, end it by making the workers submit. The machine broke down, the machine underwent a sudden physical damage. This is the meaning of this phrase. So these answers you can write there in your notebooks. This is your homework. Question 1. Who do you think Mr. Nath is? Write a paragraph or 2 about him. What else do you think Nishad and Maya will find out about him? How will they ever be friends? Think about these questions and write a paragraph or 2 to continue the story. So you will do these questions as homework. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.